walking trails and biking trails go all around this lake. They're getting ready to shut this place down for the quarantine. We've been told we're allowed to stay till our reservation, which we prefer to stay put. But anyways, there's the lake on the right. Beautiful. During the summer months, there's a snack place up here, I guess a cafeteria, paddle boat rentals, canoe rentals. Very beautiful place. Very well maintained, updated, and a lot to do here.
This is where the trail comes out, right here. It's part of the Huckleberry Trail.
Don't mean to be bounced all around, but it's a big place, and trying to get us through here reasonably quick so you can see it all. So this video is not like 30 minutes long.
These here are actual tent spots right here on the lake.
Check-in center, visitor center, gift shop. We'll get pictures of that later. Now, do we want to drive through here?
You can. I'll show you.
Okay. There's the actually woolly cabin behind us, which we're going to get pictures of that later. There's a lot of history in this park as well. It's amazing. Oh, okay. I thought this looped around.
I thought it did too.
Well, we're learning.
So this is the swimming beach right here. There's the cabin and visitor center.
What we'll do is we'll go the lake route to our camper, and then when we go to leave Monday, we'll do the rest of the video.
Okay. This is all picnic area, pavilion. There's a playground right here.
This is just additional parking here, but we can get an idea what it looks like. Because this used to be, this building, by the way, used to be the original visitors center, I guess, for check-in and everything. And it's, oh yeah, I can see where the road used to possibly go that way. But anyways, this is the new, lots of restrooms and supposed to be a snack concessions. Everyone, we're gonna get back to this video here in just a second. I just want to go over a few things. One is the amazing waterfalls you're about to see in this park. Beautiful. Hope you enjoy these. Highly recommend you if you get a chance, you're in the area, to take a look at it. Now, my wife and I, we were trying to search for a video on this campground. We were trying to get booking done because it's really difficult to tell spots. They never look the same when you're trying to do the telescope or satellite image, whatever. And we love to have a map for you, but this was at the beginning of COVID, so everything was on lockdown. So we don't have a map. They weren't handing them out as zero contact. So I tried to make a map right here, but I failed considerably. Get that out of there. So here's my map. We're about to, in this video, we're going to head through the campground, which is all lakeside. Beautiful spots. They're all the spots were just, I believe every spot was full hookups and concrete pads. They were just wonderful spots, or asphalt pads. But so when we get up on the video, up on the top there where we were, that's where we were going to continue with the video, but we went on lockdown, and so we had to get out of there in a hurry to get to our next place. So basically, those spots are the same as lakeside. They just don't have the lakeside, or some of them don't even have a lake view, but they're all nice spots. Very level, private. You're not stacked on top of each other. Just, they put a lot of detail in this place. We loved it, and I know you will too. So hope that video helps you a little bit, because we really do like to give you an idea of what a campground looks like, so when you go in there, you kind of have an idea. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. please subscribe and like the video, and we'll just keep them rolling on. Talk to you later.
These are more tenting spots down here. This is where you park for the Huckleberry Trail. All the spots here are full hookups. This is going to be your lakefront spots.
We were seriously trying to find a place that is empty. Hey, they got that awning in. Wow. These folks had an awning that got bent because of the rain. Yeah, we're trying to isolate ourselves from here. We had to go grab some propane to fill up.
This leads up to the trail. Here is our spot.
And the rest of that loop there, and we'll finish when we're hooked up and heading to hopefully in the next place where we can stay confined for an entire month.
That's the plan.
That is the
We're gonna hike the Huckleberry Trail, and it should be a really nice hike because we just had quite a bit of rain, and there should be several waterfalls on this trail. I like that. The real voyage of discovery consists not in seeing new landscapes, but in having new eyes. Very tranquil. It's a beautiful trail. This is the trailhead for the mountain bike trail, or you can also connect to the Huckleberry Trail that we were just on. We're coming back to camp to let Aldi out, but it goes down that way and connects to all kinds of trails. Little picnic area here.
It's nice, very nice bike servicing station over there with a pump and all the tools to repair bikes. And very, very nice place.
This has, they call it the one trail. It's 9.2 miles, but you can break it up into two, the north loop and the south loop. One is 4.7 miles is the north loop and 5.6 from the south loop. And the Huckleberry Trail is 3.5 miles, which we'll finish here in a little bit. This is the other side of the trail. It's where the waterfall is at. Go around the lake. Campground's right across. This is still the Huckleberry Trail, just the other side. Walking up to the Woolly Hollow cabin. Okay, so this cabin was owned by Martin Alfred Woolley in 1882. It was, this is not the original location of it. It was originally located about 3/4 of a mile southwest of the Woolly Hollow State Park on Blackford Road. It was moved to this location in '74 and restoration completed in 1975. And there's a trail that comes right here. It does a loop up the hillside and back behind it, and it connects to the Huckleberry Trail. Here's Lake Bennett. And whenever they started to drill for a well to provide water for this campground, they discovered this artesian aquifer in 1980. So now they have this set up like a little water feature here, and it pumps out 50 gallons per minute, feeds right into Lake Bennett. Pretty cool.
Very nice.